How to achieve freedom with an online business as a broke beginner. What's up, drop services? On this channel, I show you how to make money online using strategies and tactics from my real online businesses that get results like these. In today's video, we're getting into how you can go from being a complete beginner with no money to achieving complete financial freedom with an online business. So before you achieve building a successful online business, it can really feel impossible, but if you have the right plan and take action on that plan, you can achieve freedom, whatever that means for you. So if you stay until the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to achieve freedom. So let's get right into it. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like the video. In fact, if you tap the like button right now, something amazing could happen that will change your life forever. It's possible. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more strategies and tactics that you need for your business journey. And as we go through, comment below any questions at all, and I'll personally answer you in an upcoming video. Most people that start an online business, or any business for that matter, want freedom. You want the freedom to do what you want, where you want, with who you want. That's the main reason any entrepreneur gets into business for the most part. They have a real innate need for freedom. We want freedom because it allows us to control our destiny in every aspect of life. Entrepreneurs view having a job as working on someone else's dreams and being controlled by someone else's schedule. Freedom gives us complete control of our destiny, and that really excites us. Obviously, some people prefer having a job because they prefer security, and that's fine. One's not better than the other, but the freedom gets us up in the morning and creates the energy that we need. The problem with this is society tells us it's almost impossible to succeed in business. It's too risky and we're highly likely to fail, so why try in the first place? Only lucky or privileged people succeed at building an online business. So we should just be happy with the security of our day job. And what society tells us is really made to keep us as a cog in the wheel, so society will work, which is important and good for most people. Society needs to work efficiently, and for that to happen, most people need to work a job, obviously, right? So this is why there's such a big focus on security, and your friends and family give you weird looks when you say you want to start a business. The reality is, you have no more security in a job than you do with starting an online business. The only difference with a job is that you can be fired at any moment. This means that your destiny is in someone else's hands. With an online business, your destiny remains in your hands. This doesn't mean that starting an online business is easier than having a job though, right? Obviously, it takes a lot of work and determination to achieve success with building your own online business. But that's why the reward for doing so is so much greater once you achieve it, because you're the one taking that risk. The fact is, you can see examples of online business success all around you, right? 80% of millionaires are self-made, meaning they created that wealth from scratch. They're not any smarter or better than you for the most part. So if you're starting with nothing and want to build an online business, you need a plan. If you don't have a plan, you'll be out there searching for years, trying to figure out what works. The best plans come from people who've already achieved the success that you're after. Other people have already gone out there and done all of the failing for you and talk about it on the internet to make themselves feel better, like me. So you can take one of these plans and implement it for yourself. You can use a paid plan like the drop servicing blueprint, which I'd really like you to do, obviously, but in this video, we're going in depth into how you can build your business as a broke beginner. So you can use a free tutorial on drop servicing like this video here. I'll also link another one here that you can see. So you need to organize your resources though, so that you know what you have to work with. Starting an online business takes time, money, and energy. It's up to you to determine how much of each that you have to invest in your business. The more the better, obviously, but something is better than nothing. You need time to implement the steps, money so you can pay for things like people and software to do things for you, and energy so you don't procrastinate and be lazy. The great thing about drop servicing, for those of you new to this, is you can get your first sales for free, as we show you in a lot of our other videos. Once you follow a plan to build your online business like we showed above, you can consistently implement it by managing your resources properly. You can reinvest into your business. So follow the plan I lay out in my other videos to get your first sales for free. Initially, you'll be investing your time into building your business. Then once it starts to get sales and traction, you can then reinvest that money back into your business to automate and scale further. You can invest into scaling up your marketing campaigns so you can put more offers out there, or you can invest in the automation of your business, which is what we're discussing here. And the way you do that is by using both people and software to automate different aspects of your business. So the thing you need to remember is the more of your business you do yourself, the more profit you get to keep. So the more of your business that you automate, the higher your costs, but the more time that you have, which is the freedom aspect, right? So I recommend only automating to the point that you're still consistently hitting your target income number, whatever that might be for you, okay? Whatever the amount of money that you need to be able to live the life of freedom that you're after, whatever it may be with your online business. Perfect your systems before you automate though. You don't want to automate until you know the system is working. So if you automate beforehand, you're going to simply automate a broken system that will fail a lot faster without you. As you scale and automate your business, you will need to continuously optimize and improve your business by tracking the results of each system. So as you automate and scale, problems will become more apparent, and this will also give you further opportunities to improve. Just ensure that you've done what you can to make sure it works. In other words, it's getting sales before you take yourself out of the equation. So just make sure that you also don't wait too long to automate, because you think that you are the only person in the world who could possibly implement each part of the system. It's just never true. It's really going to hinder your growth over the long term, and you're going to realize years later that you could have automated a whole lot sooner. As soon as you automate, you always wish that you've done it sooner. So this is the order that you should automate your business to achieve freedom. First of all, you should automate the delivery of your services. That's the whole point of drop servicing. If you're delivering the services yourself, you're a freelancer essentially. So you need to really do your research on the best freelancing teams to deliver your service and focus on making sure that they can deliver the services to your standards by going deep into their past work, reviews, and case studies. Once you've automated the delivery of your services, it's time to automate as much of the admin and marketing of your services. For example, if you're currently manually, running your cold email campaigns, you should automate them with software to generate leads, such as LeadFuse, and automate the emailing itself using software like Woodpecker. Then you can hire a virtual assistant and train them in how to manage your systems. With drop servicing, you can start businesses where you can sell low-ticket services such as resume writing directly on your website for a few $100s. So in those cases, this doesn't matter so much. It doesn't really apply. But if your service is selling for thousands or tens of thousands of dollars, you're going to need to do the sales calls, which I recommend you automate last. But some do choose to automate from the beginning. That's fine too. Automating the calls is awesome. I used to do sales calls though in airports, restaurants, and one time even in Disneyland. So it's so great once you automate your sales calls so you can actually fully enjoy the freedom that you wanted in the first place in your online business. The reason that you should automate in this order is because it's ranked in terms of what's easiest in general to automate and what is less essential for you to be managing yourself. So to go from completely broke to achieving full freedom with an online business, you're going to need to be disciplined. First of all, you need that plan, which is easily obtained these days. You have people teaching online business all over the place. Just make sure that they actually show you their results so that you know they're legit, okay? And once you have the plan, you need to consistently implement that plan by managing all of the resources at your disposal. If you consistently implement a good plan, you're going to get results. The first stage of your business, you're really going to be doing a lot of the procedures yourself, a lot of the work yourself, because you need to develop and systemize everything to make sure it works. So the positive of this stage though is you keep all of the profit for yourself. But at a certain point, you will be earning so much money in your online business that you're going to want to start to regain some of your time and get some of that freedom. And this is only done through the process of automation, which should be be done slowly and methodically, only automating the parts of your business that you have perfected the systems for. So that way you can simply plug in a software or person into your working systems. As you begin to automate, you want to keep track of all of the numbers in your business to make sure that everything is still working fine, and only automate to the point that you're still earning the target income to live a life of freedom. It's always going to be a balance between, how much money that you're earning and how much free time that you have, but it can easily be scaled to the point that you have complete freedom while easily surpassing your target income number consistently. Now, in case you haven't done already, don't forget to like the video. It's really good luck and will make you feel great. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more strategies and tactics that you need for your business journey. And comment below any questions that come to your mind, and I will answer you personally, okay? Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.